Hey, did you know smart plugs are becoming a must-have these days?
Smart plugs? What's so special about them? Aren't they just fancy adapters?
Not at all. They're way smarter than that. You can control anything plugged into them remotely. Lights, fans, ACs, even coffee makers.
Say, but why would I need to control my appliances remotely? Sounds like overkill.
It's not overkill, it's efficiency. For example, think about your air conditioner. Do you leave it running all day at the office or at home?
Yeah, sometimes it's easier than constantly turning it on and off.
Exactly. But that wastes electricity. A smart plug lets you schedule when the AC turns on or off, so it's only running when you actually need it.
But doesn't my AC already have a timer feature?
True, but most timers are basic. With a smart plug, you can set multiple schedules, adjust remotely via an app, and even monitor energy usage.
Energy usage. How does that help me save money?
Great question. Smart plugs show how much power each device uses. If your AC is draining too much energy, you'll know instantly and can tweak its settings.
Okay, but what if I forget to turn it off? Does it really make that big of a difference?
Absolutely. Let's say you accidentally leave your AC running overnight. That could cost you £50 per month in wasted energy. A smart plug can auto-shut it off based on your routine.
Interesting. But isn't setting up a smart plug complicated? I don't want to deal with tech stuff.
Nope, super easy. Just plug it in, connect it to Wi-Fi, and pair it with your phone. Takes 5 minutes tops.
Alright, fine. But how does this work in an office setting? Offices already have HVAC systems.
Good point, but not every room needs constant cooling. Conference rooms, for instance, are empty most of the time. Use smart plugs to cut power to non-essential devices when unused.
What about employees who complain about being too hot or cold?
Here's the trick. Program the smart plug to turn on the AC 15 minutes before meetings start. That way, the room is perfectly cool without wasting energy.
Okay, makes sense. Any other benefits besides saving money?
Definitely. Safety is another big one. Ever worry about leaving something plugged in by mistake? A smart plug lets you check and turn it off from anywhere.
Like what? Give me an example.
Say you left your space heater on at home. One tap on your phone and boom, it's off. Prevents fires and saves energy.
That's actually pretty useful. Anything else?
Oh yeah, convenience. Imagine waking up in winter and preheating your car seat warmer before you step outside. Or turning off all your lights at once instead of walking around the house.
Wow, I didn't realize smart plugs had so many uses. Still feels kind of pricey though.
They're not expensive anymore. You can get one for under $15. Plus, the energy savings pay for themselves within months.
Alright, you've convinced me. Where do I start?
Start small. Get one for your AC first. Set it to turn off during peak hours when no one's home or in the office. Once you see the savings, you'll want them everywhere.
Thanks for the advice. Guess I'll order one tonight.
You won't regret it. Welcome to the future of energy efficiency.